In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use stock photos in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Whether you're creating a presentation, a document, or a spreadsheet, the use of stock photos can elevate your work, making it more visually appealing and engaging. Let's focus on PowerPoint first, as this is where visual enhancements are most commonly required. Start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. After you've launched the application, navigate to the PowerPoint presentation you'd like to enhance. You're looking to create a dynamic and visually appealing presentation, and stock images are an excellent tool to achieve that. Once you have your presentation open, head over to the Insert tab on the ribbon at the top of the screen. This is where most, if not all, of your image-related actions will be found. Clicking on Insert will open up a range of options for you, one of which is the Pictures button. Go ahead and click on this button. You'll be presented with different ways to add pictures to your presentation. From this menu, select the option labelled Stock Images. Microsoft provides a comprehensive library of high-quality stock images that you can use freely, ensuring that your presentation is both professional and visually captivating. After selecting the Stock Images option, you'll see a large gallery appear filled with numerous categories and themes. Take your time to browse through and find the image that suits the message or mood you're aiming to convey in your presentation. The right image can really help in reinforcing your message, so choose wisely. Once you've chosen an image that perfectly complements your slide, simply click on it to highlight your selection. A preview of your chosen image might appear, allowing you a final chance to ensure it's the right choice. If you're satisfied, click on the Insert button to add the image to your presentation. This method doesn't just apply to PowerPoint. You can use a similar approach in other Microsoft Office applications like Word and Excel to integrate stock photos. In Word, stock images can break up long sections of text or emphasize important points. Meanwhile, in Excel, they can be used to add flair to your data-driven narratives. By following these simple steps, you're not only enhancing the visual appeal of your content, but also leveraging a great resource provided by Microsoft to enhance your productivity and creativity. Stock photos don't just serve a decorative purpose, they can help convey messages more effectively, making your presentations, documents, and spreadsheets much more compelling. Now, you are equipped to use stock images effectively across various Office applications, so go ahead, open up your file, explore the gallery, and transform your work into something extraordinary.